Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. Thank you so much for tuning in once again. What we're going to do is we are going to show you step by step, we're bringing you another tutorial, how to pick up some COPI, this time on PancakeSwap, specifically using the Binance smart chain. So we're going to show you how to use BNB coin and how to swap that for COPI. So we've done a video on Cardano, we're doing Binance, and then in the next video we're going to be doing Ethereum. So we're going to be going from ETH to COPI. We're going to be using a couple of dexes. So stay tuned, this is going to be really cool. If you get something out of the video, if you want to see more, subscribe and smash that like button. Also comment down below. So if there are any other alternative methods, we can go with that as well. So today we are Tuesday, November 28th, 2023. And in my opinion, this is a great way to pick up some COPI. We're definitely seeing a rise in the project. So we'll talk about that as well. So again, we are Tuesday, November 28th, 2023. And where are we with BNB? BNB is 230 bucks. So it's doing all right on the week. ADA's pumping a bit. Sol is moving up. If we go to COPI, this is the token we are talking about. It's definitely going up, at least on the week, in the month, and especially on the year. So we're going to be checking out the smart contracts as well. So one important step, okay, before we get started, we're going to be showing you step by step, but I want you to focus on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. Go to where it says contracts, because here you can copy and check out the contracts to make sure that you're buying the right asset. So that's important. I wanted to mention that. We are going to be using this throughout this video as well. Okay, so first step, you need to have some Binance BNB. In particular, if you're watching this video, you most likely have some BNB. But don't forget, you can also pick up COPI if you have ADA or Ethereum now too. So that is pretty much new for ETH. ADA, we did a video on that. So if you want to help guide yourself even better, go to the channel, check out COPI token is up. You can also type in how to buy ADA, how to buy BNB. I have videos that I'm building. So look at this as a library for you to understand. Going with that, what you can do is type in how to set up a Metamask. So here we can type in Metamask, and I did a video. This is part of an online course, but I put out this particular video, how to set up a Metamask wallet. So I have a few videos, how to import tokens, how to set up a wallet. So if you want to know step by step how to set up a Metamask, you're going to need that. So step 1, pick up BNB. Step 2, set up a Metamask. And to set up a Metamask, you're going to go to metamask.io. Specifically, we're going to talk about the Chrome extension version. So you're going to go to download. So hit download. You can use the app as well, but in this video, I want you to focus on install MetaMask for Chrome. So once you do that, write down, back up your recovery seed phrase, and you will see your wallet. So here's mine. If we look on the Ethereum mainnet, and also you can equip this with a Trezor or a ledger. So that's what I have right here. So as you can see, I've got my little device here. So I'm going to put in my PIN. And this acts as an intermediary. We also have links in the description below. Save yourself up to 25% off this device. That's not the point of this video, but I am mentioning if you want to save some money, go ahead and do that. That's why I have those partnerships with those companies. So here we have some hex. So that would be eHex. We have some meld, but we're going to focus on COPI. So you can see COPI here. This is going to be when we do the Ethereum one. So that's going to be the next video we put out. So we're going to show you how to import those tokens. So I'm actually going to hide for the next video. What we're going to do is select. So again, first off, buy some Binance BNB. So pick up some BNB token. So that's going to be BNB, right? So BNB, pick some of that up right here. Okay. And then step 2, you want to set up a MetaMask. We have a YouTube video on the channel. Type that in if you need help. Very simple. Just back up your recovery seed phrase and add a Chrome extension of MetaMask. Okay. Then step 3, you can load up your wallet. So if you pick up BNB on, let's say you're using a centralized exchange, say you're using Binance, all you have to do is go and copy your receiving address. Okay. We are connecting and we are going to the Binance Smart Chain. So I'm using my Trezor because that's where I have a little bit. So next step is to go to PancakeSwap. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. So once you're on PancakeSwap, this is a huge deck. So it's PancakeSwap.finance. Okay, we'll refresh again. You're going to connect your wallet. So I'm going to disconnect, show you from scratch. Go to the top right, connect your wallet. Select MetaMask. Okay, so now this wallet right here is interacting with the DEX. This is a decentralized exchange. So we are able to connect our wallet and swap some layer 1 asset BNB for other alternative assets. Very simple. So there we go. That's what we're doing right there. All we're going to do now is go to trade. So trade in the top left. And we have some information, token price. We'll zoom in here for you as well. So we got BNB. We can definitely swap with that. Remember to not use all your BNB because in terms of gas prices, when you are swapping your BNB, you're using a little bit in order to pay for transaction costs. Okay. So you can use BNB. You can also use a different asset. So we also have Cake. Okay. So if you have some Pancake, you can swap that. So maybe we'll use that because I have a little bit more. I don't even want to hold PancakeSwap. But if you want, similar to what we're going to do with Cake, you can click on BNB and swap for COPI. Okay. So we're going to go here and type COPI. You're going to see added by user. Here's cornucopia. So click on COPI. Okay. In here, click on the logo. This is going to import the address, the token asset ID number. So add token. Now in our wallet, we can now see COPI. And I recommend to go and make sure, go to token detail. This starts with AUX FE8. And this is the contract address. So make sure you have the right one. So this ends in 43F936F. So if you go to CoinMarketCap and you go to cornucopias, it's a little bit confusing here, but this is to double check. Go here and make sure that the address ends in 3F936F. Same with ADA, check the address. Make sure it starts with B68. If you're using Ethereum, make sure it ends in 360 D9D. So we're going to go here to BNB Smart Chain. It's a BEP20. You can also click on Add to MetaMask. Okay, so use Phantom. So if you're using Phantom, you can do that as well, I believe. So anyways, just make sure that your token contract, it ends in 3F9 3 there. So we're going to go here, go to COPI, token details, 3F936F. There you go. Perfect. So just make sure to double check that. You don't want to be getting the wrong token. So all we're going to do now is we're going to click 50%, 75% or max. The fees are very cheap on this chain as well. So we're going to do, let's do 50%. Okay. So we'll get $8 worth and we'll do a swap. It's cheap. Price impact, very small. So now we're just going to confirm. So you're going to see that. We're going to confirm. And I'm going to check and use my hardware wallet. So export. Standard wallet. So the idea of a hardware wallet is you have this acting as an intermediary. Okay. So here I'm going to make sure everything's looking good. 0.03 amount. So hold to confirm. Boom, 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 boom. So now our transaction is submitted. And if we go to our wallet, pending, we will see some COPI in here in just a minute. So we use 0.03 roughly amount of BNB. And there we go. So we can see that left, and we will see COPI here in just a second. So there we go. We now have 170 COPI. And again, you can use another asset. I'm just showing you how to buy it with this chain. So if you want, you can also use Pancake. I rather own COPI. I believe in it more. So we're going to do max. And you always want to have a little bit of extra COPI, or sorry, BNB. Same with ADA. You need to have a bit of ADA to pay with using ADA. It's called Lovelace. With Ethereum, they call it gas fees, right? So Cake, we're going to do max. And it says high risk. The address contains high risk factors. Okay, anyways, depends on liquidity. Looks like we're paying, what, 30 cents in fees? Not bad. So we will get 653 for $30 worth. So we're going to do swap. Make sure everything looks good. You can also check your slippage. So go here. We're going to do 0.1%. If the transaction fails, it's fine. That's just if the price fluctuates by a certain amount, your transaction won't go through. So if you want to prioritize your transaction, you can do a little bit more. So we're going to do a little swap, confirm. We're going to do a little moose swap. Sure. Gas fees, so you can see that we're paying a bit of gas fees, not as bad as ETH. So for the ETH tutorial, I might not even use ETH. It's going to cost me $97 just to buy like 2 COPI. So enable spending Cake. So now we are going to confirm. And I'm going to be honest, I've been liking Solana for its fast transaction speeds. Like whenever I'm using BNB or AVAX or especially Ethereum, I feel like I'm confirming my life away, you know? So comment down below if you agree with that. All right, so there we go. Looks like that transaction's gone through. It is pretty swift here, I must say. So now if we go to tokens, so we have 170.46 COPI. We're going to be adding about, what, 600 more? So we're going to see this leave when this gets done. There we go. So now we now have 823 COPI. So that is it. That is really it. The main thing, again, I recommend that you check out how to set up a MetaMask. So again, step 1, you want to pick up some BNB. That could be through the Crypto.com app. I have a video showing you how to do that, or how to pick up tokens in general. And then you want to set up a MetaMask, connect to PancakeSwap, and then just swap BNB, or you can swap USDC or Cake or whatever it is. Okay. So I hope you all enjoyed that. Check out our link tree. We have a free ADA mini course. We have a Crypto and NFT Masterclass. This one is free. All the YouTube videos are free, of course. And I'm also dropping a NFT. So this is going to be the Loose Moose. This is dropping December 21st, 5 p.m. UTC. It's 9 ADA, really cheap. That will give you access to giveaways and to just be more part of the channel. Other utility is you will be given access to the Discord in a special group. So that's about it for that. And pick up a hardware wallet. We have links for you. Save up to 25%. I've been liking my Tangem. So that's about it. Hope you enjoyed it. Comment down below. Did you pick up any COPI tokens? I am not telling you to pick any up, but this is how I would do it if I had BNB. Cheers, everyone.